Governor on advice of CM allocates portfolios to Deputy Chief Ministers Nemcha Kipgen, Losidiko and Ministers Govindas Kontholjam and Koraidam Loken. Chief Minister Y. Kemchan to oversee any department not specifically allocated to other ministers. Vibrant display of colors, devotion, sports and tradition marks second day of Yaoshang festival, drawing large crowds to temples and community grounds. Conflict in West Asia intensifies after Israel carry out strikes on Basij and internal security command centers in Tehran. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announces 17th wave of retaliatory strikes, claiming drone attacks on US and Israeli targets. And Impact TV News anchor Babina Hazarimayum clinches gold and silver medals in athletic events of ongoing 15th Annual Journalists Sports Meet 2026 organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm Joyce Rusham bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. In a significant development weeks after swearing in of Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand-led state government, the Governor of Manipur, on the advice of the Chief Minister, issued notification today allocating portfolios to members of Council of Ministers under Rule 6, Clause 1 of Rules of Business of the Government of Manipur. As per the notification, Chief Minister Y. Kemchan will oversee any department not specifically allocated to other ministers. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen has been entrusted with Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Department and Tribal Affairs and Hills Department. Deputy Chief Minister Losidiko will handle the Public Health, Engineering, Forest and Environment and Climate Change departments. Minister Govindas Kontholjam has been allocated the Home Department and Youth Affairs and Sports Department. And Minister Koraidam Loken will take charge of the Arts and Culture Department and the Tourism Department. The notification issued by Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goel comes into immediate effect. It may be mentioned that 7 more cabinet ministers are yet to be inducted. Meanwhile, reliable sources indicate that NPP is not happy with the portfolio given to Minister Koraidam Loken. Festivities intensified across Manipur as Yaoshang entered its second day today, drawing large crowds to temples and community grounds in a vibrant display of color and tradition. The traditional Pichkari ceremony was held at Sri Sri Govindaji Temple, where people of all age groups took part in the joyous color play. The celebrations were further enriched by soulful Holi songs presented by various Holi Dole groups. In the afternoon, a match of traditional Manipuri game Yubi Lakpi was organized, adding a sporting highlight to the festive spirit. Later, women dressed in traditional white attire known as Brajamai proceeded from Bijoy Govindaji Temple to Sri Sri Govindaji Temple and performed the customary Brajamai dance, captivating devotees with their grace and devotional expressions. Sri Sri Govindaji Temple Section Officer Manohar Mayum Barish Sharma stated that a large number of devotees thronged the temple this year. He informed that adequate security arrangements were put in place under the supervision of Imphal East District Police to ensure smooth and peaceful celebrations. Emphasizing the spirit of the festival, he said Holi transcends caste and religious boundaries and expressed hope that the occasion would usher in peace and harmony across the state. Tourists from across the country and abroad have also been visiting Manipur to witness the culturally rich 5-day Yaoshang festival, renowned for its unique blend of devotion, color and traditional sports.
Sri Govinda ki thongzal si Manipur da aibadi aki tu jungba kihanba kolama punama kokpagi bhavana ama ai la abrai khali aduna jaga jaga dagi holi dol sing lak pase atuki matik yam ti ne yamna lakre ngasai pung nipan khare helak padagi horak paduna hajurogda mapanda pau namba manung da sak pasi lepri aduna ngasigi holi gi program si horem pung mari kwan arti gi mangoina na barjama hek lak pagal lotion gani adugogi manungdi akoi rangi machugi khena balai taba machu kapa dharma koding jati jati punamak lakpidana koi holi gi mahau sapase pangtok koda mayam saruk yari.
The 10th anniversary of PA Sangma was observed today at NPP Manipur State Unit Office in Babupara, Imphal. NPP MLA and Minister Khuraijam Loken led party members in paying floral tributes to the late leader. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Loken said, during his lifetime, PA Sangma was committed to carrying the voices of people of Northeast to the center. NPP State President Loro Foze stated that the observance was held to honor the selfless service and dedication of PA Sangma towards the people of the Northeast region. He also appealed to the public to work unitedly to bring positive change and development in the region.
Sangma Samna, Damsida, notice people sing Ziki, but Tongan, Wakalon, Magi, Wakandale, Madu, Queen Sang Boy, and Sis Tormasi, Pangtoponi, Adonasi, Tormasi, Pangtok of the Quick Lady, party leaders sing, Aduka party, members sing, Aduka party officials sing, Puno, Mayam Lakpit and Saruba Yabi, Yamna, party is Octoxan, party, Henama Pang, Kakalapaka, notice keepers are in China, Pamzabudu, no Monogi, Kumang Soxle, Tamzage, Aduka Lady, by Quick Lady, party is now sing, Tumlever Kibik, State Sida, notice the labor. Notice people sing India's the Equi Philips, Equi Wakalonze, Kanagumba, Equi politician, Mayama center as like Wakanu item like Madugi Wakalondo, like Tanagino, the Equi notice key like parties in Asoba, Madugi Wakalondo, the Horkivani.
Monthly all-age pension for senior citizens of Pishum Oinam Lekai donated by KH Tokyo in memory of his late father, newspaper hawker Queshnam Koba, was handed over to beneficiaries today. Speaking on the sidelines, KH Tokyo noted that the monthly all-age pension is being provided to senior citizens of the locality since the last 5 years and will continue in the days to come. Yuva Connect Come Vikshit Bharat Youth Parliament under the theme 50 Years of Emergency Lessons for Indian Democracy was held today at Jadonang Memorial College in Longmai Patri, None district. The program was jointly organized by Mai Bharat, Tamenglong and Jadonang Memorial College. During the event, 5 students were shortlisted to participate in the State Youth Parliament. Street Food Festival hosted by Classic Group of Hotels is underway at the service lane in front of Hotel Imphal North AOC. Organized in connection with the ongoing Yaoshang Festival, the Food Fest kicked off yesterday and will continue till March 8. A wide array of cuisines prepared by chefs and master chefs of Classic Group of Hotels are being made available to visitors, offering a rich and diverse culinary experience. Traditional and indigenous Manipuri dishes are drawing attention from food lovers. Visitors are particularly relishing local favorites such as indigenous fritters, singju and paknam. In addition to Manipuri delicacies, a variety of Indian, Chinese and Korean dishes are also available, catering to diverse taste. The food festival is open daily from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. The organizers urge the public to visit the fest and savor the vibrant flavors as part of Yaoshang celebrations. Now with that, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the conflict in West Asia intensifying after Israel carried out strikes on buses and internal security command centers in Tehran. Keep watching Impact News.
Miron mangamdaba hanna abortion chatpa chahi thengni yom panba tube phunba nupagi asonda leibana angang oiba ngamdaba singidamak maipakpi fertility center with IVF na khudongchaba kaya pizari haukiba chahi anida IVF success rate 60% leiki appointment kidamak call tawbirau.
Admission open. Capsule medical course for NEET UG 2026. Crash engineering course for GMains 2026. Class 11 Foundation, Council, CBSE, NEET, UG and GMains. Come and complete your dream.
Marks 10 classes, admission open for class 6 to 12. CBSE Khattag coaching center. Asigi first foundation course Lakiba April ki tang anidagi. Suksoi shwedana hogjeragani. Masigi damakta form pisin pagi arubi matam March ki tang kungamathoi oigani. Class 9 ki 12 ki oina batch amada akaknaba sit oiduna ashonba mahiroi shingishu extra classes lawjagani. Boys and girls ki separate hostels thamjari. For more details, please visit us at our office at Wangkai Maihobam Lampag or contact us at the given number.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Conflict in West Asia has intensified after Israel carried out strikes on bases and internal security command centers in Tehran, along with missile launchers and air defense systems. Israel Defense Forces (IDF) claimed the facilities were used by the Iranian regime to maintain control. The Israeli Air Force also resumed attacks on Hezbollah infrastructure in Beirut. US-based human rights activist news agency reported over 1,097 civilian deaths in Iran since February 28. Commander of United States Command Center, Central Command, Admiral Brad Cooper said U.S. forces under Operation Epic Fury have struck nearly 2,000 targets, severely degrading Iran's air defenses and missile capabilities. The U.S. confirmed that 4 Army Reserve soldiers were killed in a drone attack in Kuwait. On the other hand, Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, announced its 17th wave of retaliatory strikes, claiming drone attacks on U.S. and Israeli targets, including bases in Erbil, Kuwait, and Bahrain. The situation remains highly volatile amid continued military exchanges. Amid the tensions, International Atomic Energy Agency said there is no evidence that Iran is building a nuclear bomb, though concerns remain over its enriched uranium stockpile. Meanwhile, India has taken measures to assist passengers affected by the crisis. The Ministry of Civil Aviation said Indian Airlines will operate 58 flights between India and the Gulf region today to facilitate stranded travelers. Now in sports, Impact TV News anchor Babina Hazari-Mayum clinched gold in women's 100-meter race and silver in 400-meter race at the ongoing 15th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2026 organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium today. In the women's 100-meter event, Lechongbam Fazalimbi of ISTV won silver, while Sagakpam Roshimala of SKTV secured bronze. In the 400-meter race, Pariton of Media United took gold with Roshimala bagging bronze. SKTV dominated the women's field events, sweeping all 3 medals in discus throw. The team also won gold and silver in long jump, with ISTV claiming bronze medal. In shot put, SKTV secured gold and silver, while ISTV finished with bronze. In the men's discus throw, Ajit Akoijam of Media Unified won gold, Ningthaukhongjam Binoy of ISTV took silver, and Ketrimayum Premchand of SKTV secured bronze. Kishan of Sangay Express claimed gold in shot put, followed by Ajit Akoijam with silver and Binoy with bronze. Sangay Express clinched gold in men's 100-meter race, with ISTV and Media Unified finishing 2nd and 3rd respectively. The team also secured gold in long jump and 400-meter race, while Athauba Daily and ISTV took silver and bronze in the 400-meter event. In volleyball final, SKTV defeated Media Unified, adding another victory to their impressive tally at the meet. The 40th Annual Yaoshang Sports Festival of Ideal Club Sagolban Tera Kaitel kicked off today. Speaking on the sidelines, club president R.K. Tomisana said that the club was founded in 1946 and has made significant contribution and active participation in facing various issues in the state. He noted that the club has given primary focus on education and sports and has successfully produced many talented male and female players in basketball, athletics, hockey, and swimming who have made astounding performances at various national level events.
ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯖꯔꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ 1994ꯇ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯂꯤꯇꯔꯦꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯝꯗ ꯈꯨꯃꯥꯡ ꯆꯥꯎꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯪ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯁꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯇꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ 40ꯔꯛ ꯁꯨꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯀꯌꯥꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁꯀꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕ
The 43rd Annual Yaoshang Sports Meet 2026 of Sega Road, Thauda Bhabuk Laikai, Chaukhat Thaurang Kanglup, CTK Club also kicked off today. Manipuri music and film personality Hamom Sadananda kicked off the sports meet by carrying the Yaoshang sports torch from the sacred shrine of Kangla. The 40th State Level Chaibi Championship 2026 and the 12th State Level Kanglepak Chaibi Yengdam Nabi 2026 kicked off today at Ipa Toko Ground in Narimthong. The inauguration ceremony, jointly organized by Kanglepak Students Association and All Manipur Chaibi Association, was graced by Chaibi Federation of India Advisor O Manglem, KSA President S. Hemjit, and All Manipur Chaibi Association President S. Deben Mangang, among others. KSA President S. Hemjit said the tournament is part of the ongoing Kanglei Mega Sports Festival being held under the aegis of KSA. He said the tournament will help in preservation and promotion of the indigenous game of Chaibi.
Tram Suba Kanglei Mega Sport Festival event Amoina, Aquina, Tran Tredok Suba Kanglei, Sabi and Dunaba, saying a Sipang City Hogok 70. Aquina Kanglepak Chaibi and Dunaba, Sipang Tok Simaramdi, Aquigi Hogzi Lady, Aquigi Lady, Kanglepak City Lady, Aquigi, Yellow Mimasana sing Singasi, Hoigi Yokat Bagi, Aquigi Pandamama, Luna Luna, Aquigi Satra sing Sigi Minda, Aquigi Lady Ba, Aquigi Akiba, Peace Later, Maintain Husband Lady Ba, Lan gets a thing the Nangama Lady Ba, Asuma Singi, Matana, Kupang.
The 14th Inter-District Kanglepak Football Trophy, jointly organized by All Manipur Football Association and Kanglepak Students Association, is underway at Mapal Kangjebung. In the opening match, DFA Thawal defeated Ampha Red 2-1. In the second league match played yesterday, Imphal West District Football Association defeated DFA Moirang 4-3. In the third league match held today, DFA Moirang and Ampha Blue settled for a 1-1 draw. 6 teams are competing in the tournament, divided into 2 groups. Next 2 league matches will be played tomorrow. DS Enterprises Kashamtong handed over sports uniforms to players of Anoba Mangal FC Football Club during an event held at Irom Pukri Mapal Club office today. DS Enterprises proprietor Haisnam Herojit lamented that ever since the May 3, 2023 crisis, young sports enthusiasts of Manipur have been facing huge setbacks, and the initiative, he said, aimed at providing some assistance to them. S. Birjit became champion of the first state-level Kangleipak Mugna Championship organized by All Manipur Mugna Association as part of the ongoing 14th Kanglei Mega Sports Meet of Kangleipak Students Association, championing the spirit of games and sports during Yaoshang. In the championship held today at Imphal Polo Ground, S. Birjit of Hairok became winner in men's under 65 kg category. T.H. Rajesh from Hairok backed a first runner-up, while L. Nikhil and N. Bulu shared the second runners-up spot. A total of 24 players from 4 districts took part in the championship. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Governor, on advice of CM, allocates portfolios to Deputy Chief Ministers Nyamcha Kipgen, Losi Diko, and Ministers Govindas Konthojam and Koraijam Loken. Chief Minister Y. Kemchan to oversee any departments not specifically allocated to other ministers. Vibrant display of colors, devotion, sports and tradition marks second day of Yaoshang Festival, drawing large crowds to temples and community grounds. Conflict in West Asia intensifies after Israel carry out strikes on Basij and Internal Security Command centers in Tehran. Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps announces 17th wave of retaliatory strikes, claiming drone attacks on US and Israeli targets. And Impact TV News anchor Babina Hazaremayum clinches gold and silver medals in athletic events of ongoing 15th Annual Journalist Sports Meet 2026, organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. Have a great evening and stay safe.
allocation daga dilo kisim daga piyo.
Hoi hoi.